I know a swear not. That's
Whoa! Whoa! Holy, that's not like that. I'm glad
Those
you
are
were
fast
running.
fuses.
That was a
is
very
that both
short
of them or
fuse.
just one of them?
What happened?
It broke.
I wanted to see how bad it was.
I'm not sure what happened.
Broke it more than the other ones broke.
It seemed to have breaking it pretty well. Must have been very bad.
Let me see.
Grammar.
Like shattered the inside between the.
I thought I was gonna blow it up.
It shattered the inside.
Did it?
Yeah, there's plastic on both sides, and there's the foil in the middle.
And I think
And
we're
destroyed the
missing something. We
foil.
got half the CD back.
Oh, that is pretty interesting.
We got half the CD back.
Where's the other
I don't know where the other half is.
It's shattered.
Somewhere.
No, it's all like little speckles on
Really?
the side.